Kung naghahanap ka ng lot property na perfect for your vacation home na walking distance lang sa beach, don't skip this video dahil ito na ang hinahanap mo. Mabuhay everyone! This is Rod Lawrence Journey at samahan niyo ako sa ating quick tour sa aming bagong property project at dito lang yan sa Calatagan, Batangas. Ang Calatagan, Batangas ay kilala dahil sa mga tourist spots, resorts, at mga white sand beaches nito. Kabilang na nga dyan ang Calatagan South Beach, Stilts, Little Boracay, at marami pang iba. Dito rin located ang Dolphyville Estates ng Quezon family na na-featured sa vlog natin last time. At for today's video ay sisilipin naman natin ang bagong property project na sobrang marirelax ka dahil walking distance lang ito sa beach. Ang property na ito ay 3 hours drive from Manila at 1 hour drive naman from Tagaytay. Malapit rin ito sa lahat ng establishments at basic needs. At kabilang na nga dyan ang Lago de Oro na may current development ng Lago Mall. At 5 minutes drive naman from Calatagan Provincial Highway. And while walking to the property, kasama ko ngayon si RC, also with JC. And as we're walking through, kita mo naman may roads na yung part na to dahil dito yung start niya. Like doon yung ating entrance or dyan gagawin yung gate natin. And you see, katabi lang siya mismo ng resort. At may nagpapagawa na rin ng bahay dito, guys. Ayun po siya. Medyo malaki yung property niya. Mabilis lang din talaga kasi today is actually the second year ng development nitong property. And kung makita nyo naman, may mga sidewalk na sa part na to. And the time today is actually 1 PM here. Kaya kung makita nyo, tirik ang araw talaga.
Yes, mahangin.
Yes. The best thing about here naman when it comes to Calatagan is kahit tirik ang araw ng mga ganitong time ng 1 PM is mahangin siya, guys. Like especially you can feel the sea breeze. Yan ang number 1 here. Yan. Kung naririnig nyo yung mga puno. Yan. Yan, guys. Sobrang hangin sa area. And to show you more of part of this property kasi yung iba dito, ayan, dinidevelop pa lang talaga. Like we are on continuous development here. At para makita nyo ang kabuang part of development, itong side here is the drone shot. Grabe guys, sa sobrang hangin. Sabi ko sa inyo. Ayusin mo na yan. Yan, and while walking papunta sa beach, guys, so what you see here is actually part of the resort and they're actually adding more rooms para sa mga soon guests and clients. This part is the parking and from the property, as I said, na 2 minutes walk lang talaga ay nasa beach ka na. And yan, guys, habang sinasamahan nyo kami maglakad papunta sa ating beach area. Well, when you say Calatagan, this is famous for white sand beaches. Actually, if you know the Little Boracay, yan ang isa sa pinaka-famous dito. Even the Stilts, the Casobe, like that. So, madaming, and the Starfish Island, yan yung mga kilalang destination dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. Yan guys. With regards naman sa property appreciation, actually, sobrang ganda mag-invest dito sa Calatagan. Dahil as you see, may mga nagtatayuan na rin na malls around here in Calatagan. Yun ay dahil dumadami na rin ang population dito guys. So if ikaw yung naghahanap ng investment or property investment, na sure ang appreciation dito ka na sa Calatagan. Yan. Grabe guys. It's actually high tide here now. And well, again, when you say Calatagan, sure white beach yan. Yan. Puntahan natin yung ibang part para makita natin kung gaano talaga kalinaw yung beach. And as I said nga rin earlier, yan, makita niyo si Kuya somewhere there. Nandyan yung part ng sandbar natin. And actually, you can walk from here going to sandbar. Ayan. So, pag high tide siya guys, ganito ang itsura niya. Kita nyo naman, sobrang linaw. Crystal clear, ika nga nila. Tirik na tirik ang araw at 1 PM. And, yan. Yan lang naman yung makikita nyo here. Na sobrang may enjoy nyo kasi 2 minutes walk lang talaga sa beach. And guys, tingnan nyo naman. Kahit maupo ka na lang sa part na to. Hindi ko na masyado makita sa phone ko, pero for sure kita nyo yan kung gaano kalinaw. Actually, there are lots of activities you can do here. Andyan yung kayaking, like island hopping, yung balsa, the banana boat, meron yan dito. At marami pang iba, you know. Like you can really enjoy living here in Calatagan, especially if kailangan mo ng rest house. Mamaya puntahan natin yung resort. Take note, nandito pa lang tayo sa beach area. So mamaya marami pa tayong aabangan doon sa loob ng resort. So let's travel around. Yan. So guys, ito yung part ng mangroves na pag high tide mostly, makikita mo naman talagang may tubig kasi bawal tanggalin yung mangroves. But what's good thing here is nilagyan nila ng sand. So kita mo naman, sobrang aesthetic ng area. At alam mo ba, ay umiilaw yan sa gabi, no? So this will serve as a camping site. At ang nakakatuwa dito sa routing system ng mangroves natin ay it can, you know, sobrang nakakatulong talaga siya pagdating sa like sa mga bagyo, ganyan. So ito yung pinaka-natural barrier ng subdivision doon sa beach. In which magkakaroon din ng ganitong beach access na exclusive lang din sa subdivision going to the beach. Yun siya guys. Grabe. Dito mo talagang ma-appreciate yung nature vibe, 'di ba? Especially if you're looking for a rest house or vacation home or even retirement home. Kasi, well, top 1 ng mga retirement home talaga is yung mga near the beach. Kasi, if you believe in vitamin C, well, it's really true. Nakakatulong talaga siya. And so, as you walk, eto na guys, yung pinaka beach side natin. Grabe. Wala akong masabi guys. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang linaw. I don't know if you can see yung mga isda, but I can see them from here. Lakad pa tayo ng konti. Look. Wow. Maya-maya pupuntahan natin yung resort. But let's just enjoy the beach view first. Ito guys, yung beach na nag-aantay para sa mga gusto mag-invest here. Now, if wala na kayong tanong, let's proceed to the resort. Yan guys, pabalik na tayo. Guys, that's why you have to love Calatagan. So on this part, actually sobrang ganda dito pag sunset kasi yung sunset ay nandyan mismo sa dagat na part. And dito, yan, dyan yung sunset guys. And we have kubos here with cottages. Alam niyo ang kagandahan nga dito kasi once na maging lot owner ka dito sa Calatagan or dito sa property na binibenta namin, ay magkakaroon ka ng lifetime discount for lot owners. Yan ay exclusive lang sa ating mga lot owners guys. Kaya naman kumuha ka na. Yes. Now on this part, kung makita nyo, may dinidevelop pa sa part na yan. I think may tatayong building dyan. And then pool here. Aside from the pool, meron tayong fish pond wherein pwede kang mag live catching. Umiilaw rin to paggabi guys. So it's kind of very romantic here. Especially at night. And we also have playground. Playground po yung part na yan. And meron din tayong mga small cottages here. That's the playground. Ang ginagawa pa. At kita nyo naman, they have stage here. So if gusto mo yung mga nightlife, ganyan, pwede siya guys. Also, eto guys yung stage natin. Na sobrang ganda niyan paggabi. And cottages natin. To show you guys, yan yung part ng restaurant and every night dito meron party. So if you're really like, you know, yung mga nightlife, kung mahilig kang magkanta-kanta, yan, pwede ka dito. And ito pa guys, ang kagandahan naman dyan is kapag nanawa ka sa dagat, meron kang pool na 20% discounted ka rin dyan. At pa restaurant inside if gusto mo yung may aircon na part. And also, meron tayong 1-story villa. Yan. At you can also check dito guys, meron din tayong sanggip area. So if you really want yung mga sanggipsal, pwede dyan. And yung restaurant area natin, yan, may aircon tayo sa loob na part. Yan guys, sobrang laking area for the restaurant. Now let's check the sanggip area. Yan guys, may mga ginagawa pa silang villa inside. And guys, kita nyo naman sa part na to, kitang-kita ang buong Calatagan ng resort. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Wow. Kitang-kita nyo dito yung kabuuan ng resort natin. Once again, very discounted. Discounted ka sa lahat ng facilities natin na yan. With free access sa beach. And discount sa ating resort. Siya guys. So, hindi ko alam kung ano pang inaantay mo ngayon. Pero, if looking ka talaga at tingin mo ay para to sa'yo, well, I can say, mag-incur ka na. Habang may free pa tayong lot. And last but not the least ay ang ating ESB bar. And yan guys, while waiting for our client mamayang hapon.
We're also doing our vlog, sir.
And to welcome you guys, one of our property or lot owner here in Calatagan, si Mr. and Mrs. Fury. Please say hi to the vlog.
Hello!
Yeah, so what are the things that you like here?
Everything.
Okay, like
The
what?
bar, service, of course the service, but then look at the climate in this country though. That's the main
Yeah.
thing. A lot of folks go through 4 seasons. A lot of us, when we get older, especially baby boomers out there, because I'm towards the end of the baby booms era of that generation in America, where we get sick of the snow, the ice, the fog.
The coldness.
Yeah, all of that has to do with coldness. But this climate here, in my opinion, has been summer year round.
So do you think that this property is really a good investment?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Very reasonably priced. Ridiculously reasonably priced.
You can beat the price of the land where you live, by the beach right there. Cannot get it.
And so this to me is like Hawaii. Hawaii is multi-million dollars USD. Here, 30, 40,000 USD, and you can get a lot.
Yes. You can beat that. Right?
And you can't beat that
Yeah.
in the world.
Yeah.
And then you have all this, the service,
Amenities.
the friendliness, speaking English. I'm saying everything. It's,
Yeah.
it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
But this is what people I don't think realize. Even some of my co-workers from America, they'll come back to the Philippines to go to their little barangays and not experience their country.
How nice is this?
Yeah.
And cheaper.
Oh my
They
God.
can invest more. Come on over. Be our neighbor here.
Place to retire for all you baby boomers.
Investments.
Indeed.
Well, of course. If you have any questions, just relay them. They'll relay them to us. They'll get back to us if you have anything. Center guys,
The best. You can talk.
Best.
Rod.
they do English in the Philippines.
Yes.
And what else?
Come on over. Be our neighbor.
Come on, be our neighbor, sure.
Thank you so much.
Go
Thank you
check
so
it
much,
out.
Miss Fury.
All right.
All right, guys.
At maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. Sobrang daming benefits, kaya naman kumuha ka na. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for upcoming updates. Once again, this is Rod Lawrence Journey and see you next time.